coming back. But please, me beg you in the name of Jesus, stay in the yard.
But mommy, you really left me alone in my house. Who gonna stay with me?
Listen, remember say your father gone overseas? Him no look like he have now come back here, so. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
So, you know say, and me, you and your brother live, right?
Yes, mommy.
So, if your brother gone to work and your mother is going to work, who are you going there?
Me alone.
I know you're alone. See, you have company and me forgot.
Mommy, daddy can't talk. Daddy ain't a human being, mommy.
Anyway, Tiana, just stay in the house. I understand you still. But don't worry yourself about that. I know say you alone are going to stay here. But you can watch a TV and you can play the dolly and remember to take up your book. Studying is very important. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
Please, me dey beg you again and again and again a million times. No live out of the yard. What me say?
Do not live out of the yard.
Listen to me.
Yes, mommy.
You see how you disobey me and come out of the yard, or you take anything where you know say your name if you take you know one what you fi eat already. You have your little snacks them and your little juice and your whatever. Do not take what belongs to you. That's
Yes,
a
mommy.
thief.
Mom, remember, see, I have a key for the snacks pan.
We will leave it, give you. Listen what I'm saying. Anytime you take something that don't give to you, that is what?
Called stealing.
Good. So do not take things that don't belong to you. Always ask for things before you take it.
Yes, mommy.
You understand? Because if you practice your little, if you practice yourself with thief from now, when you get older, you know what will happen? You're going to be a bigger thief. You're not going to be a small thief. Until police get you and lock you up or other things happen to you in a real life. So don't take things when I give to you. You hear what me say?
Yes, mom.
Focus on God and your education.
Yes, mom.
And practice yourself to pray. Because praying is good as small as it is. You can pray.
Yes,
if you can't pray good or you don't know if you say, tell God to teach you to pray.
Yes, mom.
And I need all of the parents them in the world to train them child in the way they should grow. Because sometimes when kids grow up and they do certain things, are the parents, you understand?
Yes, mom.
Are the parents it coming from? You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
And when them pitney get in a trouble, parents are trying to run from problem when at them is the problem. So I am teaching you now how to grow in the right way. Do not take things that don't belong to you.
Yes, mom.
You understand?
Yes, mom.
Because when you take things we are not feel, where we get in now?
Trouble.
Okay. And you go take nothing for nobody. And police hold you as small as it is. You know, the first thing they're going to ask you, who is your mother? What is your mother's name? And you have to give them your parents' phone number. And any police call me, tell me, say you take anything from nobody or from anywhere. I am going to disown you. Me I go say you is not my child.
Mommy, why you go do that?
No, listen. I have to teach you from now so you understand the type of mother you have. So when your mind tell you to do certain things, we're wrong. When the devil pack up your brain and the negativity then, you know and say, well, my mother is too strict. I am not supposed to do that. Else if me get myself in a problem, my mother not go busy with me or she go beat me. Or police are go lock me up and that me want you think. You hear what me say?
Yes, mom.
What you have to say about the situation now? What you have to say? What you think about when me say? You think it is right or it is wrong?
It's right, mommy.
Okay, so guess what? Me go down and Mary, I'd go wash her little dirty clothes and feel little piece of change. What she say? I go give me.
But mommy, the lady we are watch for how long? She gave back the rest of your money, where you forget?
Long time, you know, see your mother cycle. I don't want nobody owe me so long.
But
Because some people, when they owe you, they act like they forgot. And so when they don't want to give it to you, my daughter, they rather malice you and not chat to you. So they know, so when you and them not chat, you're not going to ask them for it. So they rather don't speak to you. But me know that me work for you, you got to pay me. What you say about that? High five. Good girl.
But mommy, how when you day here?
You don't know, say, when you're asleep last night, me do it. Look nice, don't you? Ah, what? Anyway, do. May I beg you, stay in the yard, don't leave out of the yard. You have everything for your comfort. Be careful, don't open up the grill for nobody. I'm going to leave now. Kiss mommy. Later,
But
here,
mommy,
baby.
why you not died and you said why you here?
No, no worry about that. You're gone too far now. The woman will wait for me from morning, sun hot. The clothes them should have been online already. Me don't know what time I go come back. Just stay in the yard and don't leave. You hear me?
Mommy, I got left on your phone them.
I can't give my phone now. My phone for use.
Mommy, remember say 2 phone I have.
Okay. Charge it. He dead from last night. Just charge up the next one. Me have to carry that one.
Okay.
Alright, so later.
So when brother come?
Me don't know how working gone.
He always come back late, mommy, and you don't come back early neither. You take a long dinner, woman know you see her.
So Tiana,
Listen,
you really think that me want to stay long? When me stay long? The people them clothes dirty plus stocks so me a wash.
I did not play
And if
good.
I tell you, you know you have sense. And if I don't wash them good, then now give me no money. And when time I kill out myself and work out my little piece of heart and soul and body, then still have to want me sometime. But in God I trust, one day better must come. I don't believe in poverty. Say that.
I don't believe in poverty.
Poverty, me say. Learn to talk. Learn to pronounce word properly. Come in and send you to school if you go name and sit down on one bench. What me say? I don't believe in poverty.
I don't believe in poverty.
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 I don't believe in quitting.
I don't believe in quitting.
I don't believe in failure.
I don't believe in failure.
Anything I try in life,
Anything I try in life,
if I fail,
I
will get up and brush myself off
and brush myself off
and start all over again. Because I don't believe in quitting.
Because I don't believe in quitting.
I am a winner.
I am a winner.
And I'm God's favorite.
And I'm God's favorite.
I am God's what?
Favorite.
Learn to talk. I mean, not laugh. What me say? I am
God's favorite.
Learn to talk properly. Learn to make proper pronunciation. Because then we say you're dunce. Alright. You stop me again and I want to go. What's your problem?
Mommy, you not change your clothes and we put on one new clothes, mommy.
Why? Me go watch people dirty clothes me dress up. If you're not nothing sensible to tell me, man, that's nothing. Backside.
Tiana! Yeah? Why you want to? I don't sit with that even. Come here. Come out of my couch. Why you coming on my couch, eh? I don't even know if I bed from morning and I come to sit down on my mother's couch. Who are you? You should drop on bus to leave for it. My business, you just coming on my couch, so not your explanation, and not even wait. You're out of order, eh?
Wait, boss.
I want me to come over here in the first place. You want me to come over here?
What did I ask you for mother there?
Well, I'm not hear you.
Me ask you for mother there.
No, she don't dare. And I walk.
So could I get that to come over here?
I'm not coming up at your yard. Matter of
Let's
fact, come
come
out of my house. Come out of my house.
Wait, no, that's not what we're talking. That's not what we're talking. No, so we get cut on nothing. They want paper towel. So I'm if you sit down.
Sit right here, so. I coach and don't go in my mother coach. Sit down
I
right
call
here.
a day with me sometime and I want.
Anyways, look for me. Where you come about?
Me ask if your mother there here.
I'm telling you already, and if I not here.
Because of it, me drop. That's why I not remember. Bye.
I need to come in here in the first place and I'm mad at some of the thing nobody unless I'm a brother. You need to come in here in the first place. So tell me where you come about right now.
Me just say if you can, me have enough money. I'm work. No man, I know. You pay me enough money. If you come, me get $1,000.
Oh, you gonna give me $1,000?
Yeah.
Matter of fact, who you get money from? A thief from your mother or your grandfather up there?
No, I work for you, man.
Me don't want to come give me no thieving money, you know. Oh, me don't want to come give me no thieving money. Let me tell you that.
Look at me thief to you. Just come on, me have $1,000 for you.
You see? Me go come with you. And me not telling you yet because my mother come. I want to come in here. She can't go come in because I me have a key. So if she come, she can go come in. So as we go up there, they give me the money, I'm going to come back on the yard.
So, all my money better want come up there. Better say if me not have no money, I won't come up there.
Of course, me will come. After me, I don't eat that.
How money I want? Me say, you know, say that man is a farmer. So, by the way, now you have to show off with the money at school and everything. So, oh, no, you want money for me. You don't have money on you, yeah.
I have money, yes, but you want me to come up here and say you have to pay me.
Yo, me
Get
don't
out.
like that thing, you know, man.
Can I hear you get up?
So,
And don't rub yourself on my mother couch. Put your damn in dirty self. What's up, Pop? Go on. What name is the carry, darling? Yeah, carry.
I'm in a way I talk to this. So, but I'm not dirty.
Then where you be then?
You have sleep while I'm in a bed and I'm in a bathroom over my yard. Tired. Grandpa.
Evening, sir.
Grandpa.
Evening.
Yeah.
Lock it on fire for a boy.
Come here, open.
Take care like it's sitting.
See what? Next time, how much time mommy want to stop come out of the house and leave the door open. So,
Don't talk to your grandfather like that. You don't know manners. You alright?
Yeah.
What money do you say you give me?
you don't have no money.
So how you say I have money?
You know, that joke me and make you really believe me. So, you don't have no money. That boy like me. Me have money and tie up under my grandfather's bed, but I'm not sure. Me tired, me not ready to go feed it. So, will you believe me? Man.
How you come to me and I come chat about us, you don't have no money. That's why I say that.
You do if me say me have no money. Hot boy like me. Upon design a brand. I mean, my mother buy this. Me know.
What
$5 for this.
What the penny?
Eh?
What the penny? What the penny, sir?
It's a money.
Money? Money?
Oh.
It's a Nike.
That here.
Yes, Grandpa.
Where you live, man?
Grandpa, that's right. I get me the Grandpa. Me I go for.
You got people in place got thief. The next police come back to me again.
Grandpa, me not like them thing away I want. Me don't look at me a thief. Me not thief. If me a the thief, you woulda see everything come out of your house long time.
So, Tashan, why you talk to your grandfather like that? So,
Because
you're thief. You're thief.
me don't know thief. He just in every minute he say.
Don't
me
talk
a
to your
thief.
grandfather like that. You're supposed to have manners. If you go talk to your grandfather like that, maybe you can go be friends. And talk to your grandfather with manners. And to push out your mouth like you're a dog.
Man, me every minute Grandpa tell like about me a thief. People that say, how much they treat me there in the yard.
That here.
Yes, Grandpa.
Which part you did the farm, man?
Grandpa, me did the right
Pick up
idea.
the antenna.
Grandpa, me did the right idea for morning, Grandpa. Me not even go nowhere. Grandpa, me not even go nowhere. Me see Tiana. I walk past and see if me can find her. Shop that's why me come to go ask me can find I got shop and you not give me no chance. You just a chat and a chat about all the things. You go and chat in front of your friend. No, about police come over here and Grandpa, you don't chat too much. Oh, sorry, Grandpa.
Why you talk to your grandfather like that? You know, no manners, you know?
Then I just accuse people.
No. Me have to tell my... You about mine. Me have to tell your grandfather, no.
Tell him more. Tell him.
You see him? He rude, you know? He rude. He give be a trouble, Mr. Andel. He
Wait.
be a trouble.
Wait. No man act that there. Oh man, me can't no man.
Stop going to your grandfather, make you wear what you want to wear.
What time if you go in
Shut
my room,
up.
go take out me hat? Mad. You know I'm favorite at that.
And your grandfather, remember, say in a film house, yes. You remember that?
I'm mine at and go in my room and nobody need time to go in my room, go take out me hat. I mean at that father buy me for my birthday when he gone a foreign.
So it's because you wear your hat, you have one big problem. Matter of fact, how you gonna tell your grandfather like about also me a pass and ask if you come follow me go
Me
shop?
not tell no lie. No want me hat.
Tishan, me walk past and tell you to follow me go shop.
Stay like this one. We are going out and come back home.
Tishan, how you do salam?
See how me go say this time. Nobody have to this out there.
You can do that, kid. Away in my bag.
Girl, that don't concern you. Come on, people. You have to watch people busy. Come on. Tiana, me ne want to tell what when me go find a house, me ne want wake up my grandfather. By the way, them a cruise. And my mother go for a month every Wednesday day and buy them for sale. So we walk around and sell people clothes. So Marsh John order them from yesterday, but he told me to go give Marsh John it from yesterday. Make me collect the money, but me never remember. So me just remember, so me go give me clothes. But just stay right there, so don't move over here.
Tajay,
Yeah.
you have to hurry up now, cause guess what? Me no want good in my yard and my mother come. Cause me get lick from my mother and my brother, no. Cause remember say me left and nobody no know and my mother say me name for left out of yard. And you make me left out of yard. So when you go whatever, do it the back there, you come back and give me back my toes that you said you go give me to follow you. And me not turn long up here, you hear me? So hurry up and go and call me a wait. And me no want my mother come and then start walk and look for me. Cause my mother mad in her head, you know. She will call police and make police come look for me on the road.
Tiana, can I ask you a question? Wait tell me, your mother wash clothes though. That's your mother job though. Your mother not done for now. You supposed to fix your them the clothes are dirty now. Right now scrub me must scrub them. He not done for no. Me so come just stand right. That's me just go give Marsh John the clothes. Them will come back here. Me so come. Just stand right that's all.
Oh, so why you disrespect my mother like that? You know, if you go and stand, go and buy your business and hurry up too.
Me so come. Me not disrespect your mother. I just want you to change. Me so come. Good evening, sir. What is your name?
Bad.
Oh, you know, so me I saw some clothes and me wanna give me them for sale in Gaffal month every single Wednesday for buy clothes so me can sell she want money for pay she partner. Now why not find them?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
What you know?
Yeah.
You don't find okay.
Yes.
And so you get a hat too.
They owe some money, right?
Yeah.
But that is somebody who will wait.
Yeah.
And they want them, right? How much for them?
Just give me 2,000.
All right. You owe somebody, but you might be wait. So they want them.
1,000, 2,000. Alright, thanks.
All right?
Because me tired. You make Tajay take so long. You know, like me tell you so. What make it take so long? What make it take so long? Suppose me go down my yard and my mother done there. Me get barely sick of you. And my brother come. And you know some my brother strict. Cause remember some pin up your ears with clothespin. And me no want get that too. And you me good in a yard and my mother come. And me get no lick. You say me see a school me go beat up you. So just make sure say my mother and my brother no come out.
You know, say, no, what happen? I want boy down there so true, me go say, he close and want make me money, boy trap, but he want take money from me. Say, the boy come and trap, but say, he want box me up and everything. The boy box me and run off and run, go to him father. I say, when me go for the boy over here, father run me and the boy walk. He walk with son, but he want box me. And that's why I say, take up this stone here.
You know why you should have bust your head? Because you're too torment. If you're in the eye up on the road, nobody wouldn't want to take no money from you. Matter of fact, can't talk about money. Where money there? Come. Where money there?
Yo, the boy, the one no man. You
Don't tell me
can't
to
have
hold on.
some respect, man. Wait now.
Where money there? Where Thursday there will you promise me?
Oh, by the way, it close. I'm going to say, my mother and get the money.
Yes, that money. My business, whatever you want to do with that the money there, but me want me $1,000 will you promise me? That's all me I tell you.
Yo, the fuck? Hey.
Here then. Put on this side or something.
15 bills me have with boy. Wow. For that.
Who you get that? $1,000 you have to give me. $1,000 you promise me and $1,000 I want. take your 500 and 500 they say they will give me $1,000. And I can't check members some of them I write his class and I don't dance. And me can check and you can check.
You can't have some respect. You have to throw money for me, so.
Me not have respect to you because you don't know big man or nothing like that.
What that? You throw it back for you. You throw no money for
Me
me.
not take you up and I can't take you up. Take you up before me lick you with the dolly.
What this?
Come on, Matafa. Come on.
Oh, wait. Remember say, me I go pick some from, so you come with me. That remember say, no know if you go back and you don't know, so come on.
I so far we are come on. You know how long we are want me tired enough. I need to go on back home right now.
Girl, you're too miserable. See us right here, so. Yeah, look at it. Tiana, you see the house here? Yes, look funny. You see it? You see it?
Mm-hmm.
And my mother will rattle and buy this house. And in sale, you see, when we turn 18, me, I live in a that. Y'all can come live in there with me too when you're 18.
But you break down out of order, eh? Me and come right here and live with you. Look on this here. Eh? From me, look on you, Missy T fire. When police come at the gate, come dry out a house, me gonna get involved too. No. But matter of fact, push cut the palm tree, they come tired and more and go on my yard.
See from she around this, so.
Come on.
Too miserable, man.
You want to write this one?
Man, me nah, yes, my time found out that pick up from there. Sit down right there, so. Watch out. Tell me how much you.
I see all the, you make me dolly drop. Chow.
Sit near how much juke me. Diana, no. Let me out move in here before you juke up. Juke me food.
Make sure you don't pick nothing green now.
Happy night, no. I feel me yard this, no. I feel me not a yard this. Happy night, man. What is you have to go up on the pumpkin?
I'm holding for you.
Where there? Tiana.
Eh?
So me can't fire gun no more further. Cause me don't want to fear family then go punish me, you know. So me right now, me have to go back on my yard and right now my grandfather must look for me right now.
I choose this, but me have to go on me hand now. But me think you would have follow me go further, but you not have to follow me go further, cause remember say you are the weird this me are this the right doing this so. I know a way so. Me just go on here later.
Later, wait. Me can borrow that if you want night.
No. We want to dolly for your girl. What about your business?
Alright, later.
Later.
The taxi where you go, now go in there.
What make me not for going out?
Let me keep the way you take car.
Wait, where you say?
Let me keep where you take car.
Grandpa, you see me take my cap off your head, Grandpa?
And I sleep on you take off.
Wait, Grandpa, if you asleep, oh you go see me take off cap off your head. You did see me do that? Man, no tell no lie upon me, man.
I'm back with my clothes and let me walk. And I be out. I want them to put on. I may not see them.
So,
Now go make police come please.
Grandpa, this me, you know? You see me take for your clothes, them? This me, you know, Grandpa? I'm not going to tell no lie upon me, man. This me about car police upon me. I see him, so my friend come up here and chat about police, but he go back and here go tell him family them. Man, not tell no lie upon me, man.
Come out of my house.
Mommy. Thieving.
Tiana,
Yes, mommy.
where you coming from?
Shop.
Who send you a shop?
Nobody money.
Where you get money from to go shop?
Out of my piggy bank.
What me tell you so when they did a come out of the yard this morning?
Don't live out of yard.
So how you come out?
Because the juice they do not have food and I didn't want something to drink and water gone from pipe.
Where you get money from?
Out of my piggy bank, mommy.
Tiana,
That's right.
me tell you if you no come out of the yard.
Yes, mommy.
And you really come out of the yard. You a big woman now.
No, mommy, I just become really thirsty.
Me say if you a big woman now.
No, mommy.
Actually the thirsty make you come out so no drinks in the fridge.
No, there's no there in my fridge, mommy.
Actually you talk her lie I tell.
I threw me and talk, mommy. Look, see my lip there, how it pink, and I buy one juice.
So Tiana, you left out of the yard. You disobey me order. You turn bad girl now.
No, mommy.
What is your problem?
No, mommy.
Okay, so are you my mother?
No, mommy.
And me is the daughter.
No, mommy.
So you're not hearing me.
Mommy, me,
You do your own thing.
mommy, I hear you, but I just become really thirsty and everything done out of the fridge, different from food and something.
I go and teach you a lesson. Me, I go teach you a lesson. You hear me say? You open your eye and the quinty like a quinty bap, you soon find out. Give me my key.
No, mommy.
So you see how long me come. You know how long me don't watch a woman dirty clothes them and sit down here saying that the sun so till the time look like a rain soon fall. And you go tell me say a shop you did go because drinks done in a fridge. So you are dead for thirst so you couldn't wait till me or your brother come.
Mommy, I didn't take long and when I go to the shop, I did see brother sit down and drink rum.
That video. Your brother a big man now, me no business with him. I do me they talk about your underage. You're supposed to listen when me say me is your parents. You don't do what you want to do as you feel like.
No.
That means you not have no manners and you disrespect my order. You're supposed to listen to me. And any other adult outside, you're supposed to listen to them because they are older than you. You're not supposed to go behind my back, but do what me no say. And the way you feel like and when you please and when the devil tell you to do, you feel like so you have to do it. So let me ask you one question now, Tiana. What you feel so me to do with you?
No, mommy.
Nothing? What name nothing? What you mean me not to do nothing to you? Me not to do nothing to you? I owe you. When me did small like you, me have to hear what my parents or guardians said. Look on you, look at you. Just born just yesterday. And come and use your head for me. Nobody thinks I me believe say you go on shop. I know drinks done. Come here, go right in the house, now go look in the fridge. And me sure say drinks in there is a liar. So a liar they tell her go and bust your ass. Go on inside. Get up. Get up with your dirty, sweaty self. Out of my couch. Go so. Go sit down on the table. Move! Bright. Miss Big Woman. We feel like say she no fi hear what me say because she are the mother in this house. Are you a pay the rent in here?
No.
Huh? Give me a piece of dirty Dahlia. Give me. Are you a pay rent in here? Eh? So how you feel like I say you fi do as you please. When you feel like you fi do it, you just do it so. Without no question. You not ask no question. You not get no permission from me nor your brother. See your papa gone all long. No business with we. All long in gone and no care about we. Not even a phone call. Me not get. We alone underneath the pressure. Your brother have to take up responsibility. They support you like him or your father. All that. And I just see little sweet them he sell. And now and again, you will do a little work and cut people yard. You take up yourself like you're there on your own or you're there work. You're responsible for yourself, ma'am.
No,
Where they do on the road?
But the Thursday, I'm going
You know what? Before me go any further, me go look in at the fridge and me make sure I say the drinks done for you. Because I don't want the people them over there so. The neighbor them, how they fast and love fast in a business, go say, oh, me over here, they murder you for nothing at all. You say the drinks done and at Thursday I kill you so it make you go and shop. So I will prove it. Make sure I say the drinks done. You hear what me say? Make sure say the drinks done. As you think say, you can give me no pill for take. Me notice from the other day you dey tell some little lie and they go on like you're smart. You're not smart. Remember me born before you. Uno young people feel say true we born before Uno. A crayfish brain we have. And Uno is the smartest. I lie. Yes, of course, some are not smart. But Uno thinks that we are big people we don't smart too. I lie at them. Watch me you. Make sure some no drinks no in there. Jesus Christ. This a drinks here. I when me make frying in the morning when you dey sleep. I know you're not choke none from outside. Oh, me an idiot, don't. Me an idiot. Me an idiot, not true.
No, mommy.
Okay. Me an idiot. Since as I no drinks, a water, let me drink some. Or if I no drinks, I must see poison then. Let me see if I go drink here and dead. You are one little liar.
Brother, this is not for drink juice. That's why I never drink it, mommy. This is not for drink because all I can feel it. Only come from work and can't drink it. That's why I tell you no do somebody like it.
Me go drink. You say no drinks in the fridge, so maybe a poison. You never say a poison. I did not say it's poison, but the way you act like no drinks in the fridge, that means this a poison. You did thirsty so much till you have to left out of the yard, go shop and me not give no money. But you go in your piggy bank. Who send you in there? You's a little liar. You can't give me no pill to take. Me born long time before you. Me, yeah, long time. Me a long time big man. And you just born baby. I can't try to trick me. Thank God. Eh, you know what kind of drinks this? Grape and ginger and apple. Good, nice juice. And you say no juice now in the house. Little girl, will make you wicked so.
Mommy, brother, so I'm not for trouble with juice because I feel if you when you come from work and can drink it.
I want next lie you tell again. Cause me know say Michael nah go tell you that. Anything in the house is for me, you and Michael. You are one little liar. And if me no mind chop your turn thief too. Because the two of them walk together. And one little boy where you used to make they come over my yard. You're trying to make him come back over here. And that me they tell you. Because him a thief. And you look like I say you want to go turn thief too.
No, Mommy, I don't want to.
You and him go to the same school. And birds of a feather flock together. Me no want to see you and him again. Me no want to say you and him there no way. And I hope I know you and him did there no way.
No, Mommy, I don't mean him did no way. I shot my gun, man, and me did drink it.
Little girl, you see how me sweat? Eh?
Yes, Mommy.
A whole heap of dirty clothes. You know what? Dirty to decent. That's my way to say it. But me I go say it this way. A whole heap of dirty clothes me go down and my yard go wash. Just to make you live a life where me never live. We in a sufferation right now, me how much you rent. One heap of sitting a galang, pay bangarang in our life. And you take up big woman ship and put on your head. And gone out the road and tell me say a shop you go. You go tell me where you did go. You're a little liar that go bust your ass. Me I go bust your ass. You're too lie. And one more lie that you tell again. Make 26 years a little liar.
Mommy, right up on me go.
I don't care. That make 27 lie. You're too wicked and lie for your size. Go your little and tell lie. Oi, get up. Get up. So when me boss ask me now why you broke up nothing for me. Me know why you broke up nothing for me. You dey do this thing too lie. Where did they?
I'm going to shop, mommy.
Me not think you understand when me just say in that way there. Where were you?
I'm going to shop, mommy.
A shop you go. So the shop where you go? A how far that they shop there? Cause me sit down about a hour and a half away from you. Where the shop there? Where you did say Apple? Who?
Apple.
Apple. Apple shop where they right there, so not even 3 minute walk. And it look like I say you left from here and go straight to Kingston. With your little lie self. You see your little lie? Me say, if you don't stop tell lie you with thief. Hold out hand. Hold out hand. You how much year old? 11. Level lick you. 6 and 5 how much? 11. Okay, hold out hand. If you make one more mistake again, you see me in your teeth. They click you anywhere. Make the police then come. Cause look like I said, you want to go a cop store. As little as you is, we carry you down a police station, you know. You think me a joke with you? Come, hold out your hand. Hold out your hand. Hold out your hand. Hold out your hand. You're too lie if you stop telling lie. Hold out your hand. Hold out your hand. Hold out your hand. That's a 2. That is 2. Hold out your hand. 11 lick and you're 11 years old. Watch out. Oh, you don't feel it. You don't feel it. Okay. Hold on. You're here. Little girl, stop the nice round there. Stop the nice round there. You deserve to lick your two lie. But see how much time you left when you go on your work and you come out of the yard and when you come back you pack up the piece of brain up here lie. You're too lie. You're too lie, man. Here man blast after all. Look at you. I look at me and I tell me feel like me an idiot. True sometimes me no bust the ass. Shut up!
Chi. What? Yes, no. Sir said this I can't feel what I sell. I have to sell this now. Sell about $100,000. Sir said this I can't fit me. But this I give me one time. But still me wanna. Come on. Smell good. Now saw this one. Now saw no more. Alright, then two ya. One for me now, one for me. Hey, wine. So, wine. How this I'm gonna have to give me grandfather to drink for junk. The fuck, him look hungry, I cannot go to him. Sell this boy for 9 grand. What? Wait. So I can't chat? I can't chat? That means me and your parent now see you come sleep with me tonight. Here? Yeah, you come sleep with me tonight. Here? So now you have a thief, now you have to walk on thief here. But you have to make sure so you can't thief on them. Make sure. So come. Hey, Father God, thank you. No, sir. You are my mother rich and now. Yo. Oh, my grandfather could have given him 100 now. Much as you treat me bad. That's you hungry, so me give him 100 out of this. Your mother rich and now. What do you mean? If you can come out of my grandfather's house, come out of sufferation. Yeah, 100. But the people that are rich too, man. Can I give grandfather money? Rich and thank you. God, thank you, God. Rich. Mommy.
Where you come from, sorry?
Mommy.
Well, on. Come on, come on, put on it. Come. I really want to be playing when you do this.
Yeah, I'm not sitting here. You got in the mama.
I want one in there, so. I want what you have in the
No,
bag,
but
so.
mommy, you know if I win that, I'm going to jump on mommy.
They're not for with me, not true. They can come to see them in the anti-current things. Yeah. Come and see one wine at the bag.
Mommy, you see the Gucci? You see the Gucci, mommy?
Oh, soft skirt.
Yeah. See the Gucci? They want to sell it, but just to show me how you know, sell it, you just have to give.
Thanks, my son. What else in the bag? What's the right? Come here, please. What's the right?
Tomorrow birthday, mommy. The thief this year.
Your birthday tomorrow?
Yeah.
Thanks, my son. Tell me I will love you.
But mommy, how me always remember your birthday? I don't remember mine.
You're not family enough for your birthday neither. They don't even remember it, I'm not knowing myself.
Oh, you get two sticks. Mommy, one of them are for you.
I two of them I want.
Mommy,
Bigger
you
than you.
always stick. Alright, what you know? You see this, mommy?
Mm.
You see this? And me and this are para. Me and him are going
In
to
favor you. Keep him.
Mommy, you too.
In
Mommy,
favor you,
you
with
just too
you.
funny. Mommy.
Your father, keep him. Come
Yeah,
put
so
that
mommy,
man
me
on the
have
bag.
me have one para.
So we'll say. You don't know what
Oh, mommy, me not kill them back.
we'll say, you know what over window you jump through. You just jump through. Watch you, my son. Come here, come on, I mean, you think you were like, a little terrible.
Yeah, mommy, take several times.
Well, one. Dear grandfather, one.
Me not give, mommy, me not give grandpa money. Mommy, we rich and no one. We can come out of grandpa place, mommy. Mommy, about 200,000 this no one.
Who tell her that? You don't even know money. You stop in here Friday, I give money and no money.
Yeah, so mommy, we are going to be one also.
And tomorrow when you sleep and wake up, you build the house. Come on and make the system go. Which part of the house that we jump through that?
Remember which part that the house today?
So I'm never looking at my son on my birthday. Hold on.
Yeah, mommy,
You carry this bag, yeah?
everything in her bag of your running teddy bear, mama, yeah.
You know, you carry bag.
So where you go, mommy?
carry go over here to put on me soon come.
So where you go?
Top question me boy. You the question me pa. I go buy something to eat and come back. You follow your talk.
What that?
Oh, it's time.
Mommy, you know something I want to go back and do my school?
What make?
Because that the teacher there does a watch me so. See, because that the teacher there, me not give you T40 money out of principal. But you know how much money principal have. You know say the teacher there not respect me though.
Here there.
I fire them. You don't think so then if you fire him?
To what other? I'm making I get to take the money and get go and give me though.
Yeah.
Narrator. I'm making
Teacher
you
there
look
for
small.
respect me.
Can I get to style in there?
Me now go back and my school.
No, you tell me not back on my school. I have to go to school.
But mommy, me done sorry.
Yeah, yeah. I done already. Still go to school, said yeah.
But
You know,
mommy,
to look now.
what
yeah.
brand me now, mom?
I was ready and I get. You never know.
Mommy, yo, you know I'm going to go down and me not think no grade me now.
They just go to school, so when I go to school, I don't go to class.
Mommy, no laugh.
When I go to school, answer my question. When I go to school, then I go to class.
Yes, mommy.
So, oh, you don't know which class you're in or which grade you're in. You just
Because
got
the
any
teacher
class
don't
for you.
respect me. I boy them, and my friend them, my teacher come chat about some enough chat to one tell his boy them say, hey, not chat to them, go boy them.
Car make.
Because about me a thief, he must
No
say
man,
me a
everyone come up to your school. Me and the teacher going to hold a conversation for you to go to other.
thief. Right then thing you know,
What
man.
you mean they not to talk to you?
Junior, boy Junior. Remember when he come up, yeah, that my grandfather I chat about, say me not fit parry him, him not fit parry me cause me a thief. Yo, me not right then thing down, brother. Mommy, I need
So-
to go down because that day school there, and I just say anyone go back anyone ever send me back to
Come on,
school.
yeah, man. Come
I
on.
mash up the teacher the
Go on, you can't do much of a thing.
Man, walk one man. Yeah. Evening, Grandpa.
Evening.
Grandpa.
Eh?
Oh, yeah, talk to me, sir. By the way, your sister look hungry. You want 100?
Alright, give me one. By the way, where you get this from?
Grandpa, you bother with that.
I
Want your
hope
money?
I don't buy the money you got keep, you know. And care home.
See, same thing you say, you style me. Well, after me, get me good 100 and give you. Don't worry yourself, man. You soon come out of your house. I hear me, I'm going to be a big mansion. Tell me they going to get rich one day. But then they going to believe me. Talk to me, sir. That's style me for money, man. Yo, you know why I talk to me, sir? But I bet you have to take that back for you. I hear me, I tell you. Top style me, sir. I feel I'm not a thief, man. Let's do the thing, there. What the fuck, man? Do the thing, there. I'm trying to go tell mommy about how me coming in the evening, you hear? Talk to nice. Don't say nothing. Shut your mouth.
Tajir. Come out of my house, man. In there. Where are you, man? I'm off my food. I want to warm to do. I left me to this young.
So this will come out of for?
Anyway, go back in, go wash up my plate, man. Wash them up.
Yeah.
I left you all left them dirty.
You're mad. You're mad. Oh, why man I house? Not you. You're mad. Me now wash up no plate over there, man. Yeah, this will come out of for after me then I house. Good enough.
I'm back in, I was go wash up the plate.
Man, me not, hey, when I come in there, I'll wash up them, hey, I bet me have it, better sleep up on the ground tonight, you know. I bet myself, me, mommy, say, me fi better sleep on the ground anytime you talk to me no way. Hey.
So, You leave me and your children then behind. And you're gone and foreigner for you make such a promise to it. Eh? Look how far me I come from. I work all my life and spend the money for you. Oh God. Now you're gonna foreign. You're gonna foreign. Gonna get twin. Two pitney you gone over there gonna get you all married. Either you change your number or you block it from your phone. None of we can get you. You stop sending money and you know the sufferation with the down here in Jamaica here. You know how hard we have it. Me and you have come from far. Me take up you when you never have nothing. Me take my last money when me have and give you to buy ticket. Eh? To help buy ticket to you go foreign. Eh? So you see a program. And how they say you have to go pay for your ticket. Or if they pay for when you work, they might go take it back out of your pay. Me find the money, me, oh God. I wash so much dirty clothes just to send you go foreign. And you left me down here, and you pick me them. I suffer in a business with you. You go get two pitney. You're married. Change your number. Jesus. Landlord upon we case. Jesus, peace. Rent. How much rent we owe? Oh God. Sometimes Michael have it hard enough for the walk and selling and son. And you know it go already. Then have to go to school. And you gone breed woman overseas. You take me money. Pay back. For you get vehicle. And you know the car not done pay for. And you take with yourself gone a foreign and left in a separation. See there. Bank take back the car. Landlord not bother me for rent. We are suffer, we are feel it. Eh? Only for sufferation and go on. JPS. Send me notification. Say if in 1 month time the light no pay because we owe how much money. Then I go cut off it. And we don't have no money. God, sometimes we go to bed hungry. You're really gonna foreign. I'm gonna give me bun. Oh God. Two pitney.
Mommy,
Married.
mommy,
Mm.
mommy.
Huh?
What happened to you? You alright?
Yeah, right, man.
We are about.
No, I'm not talking about nothing.
You sure?
I'm not talking about nothing, man. I'm good. I'm good.
Mommy, you sure you're okay?
I'm okay, I'm not talking about nothing. My head just not feel right. Some whole heap of something are coming on my brain. Whole heap of things are going in on my brain. I can't sleep. I try to drop asleep, but I can't sleep. My head round and so hurt me. Paining on my head.
Mommy, probably I already make your head hot you. No, you sure it's not an idea?
Not do my man, me alright. Me different from the pain around and so me alright.
Mommy, by the way, who you talk about their foreign and married and have two picnic?
Nobody.
You sure, mommy?
Me alright, man, me good. Just go on back of your bed, me alright. Me alright, there?
Okay.
Yeah.
Goodbye. You alright?
Yeah, me good. Go on.
Try to sleep, mommy.
Go on back in your room, me good.
Right, like it's sweet, yeah?
Yeah.
See you so.
I tell you about here, instead of the stain and mark in a rust,
See you so.
I tell you about, yeah man, put it in the yard to yourself.
Alright.
A 400 for anyone man, only 400 Jamaican dollars.
Yeah.
It's a nice fabric softener, so we tell, it's a rinse and cover, very soft and nice. Yeah man.
The one that the blue one.
Yeah man, this is an all-purpose liquid soap. This is used to wash anything, wash your wig, your bag, anything like that. Shoes, yeah man, anything, all-purpose.
Alright, it's like your thoughts are nice, we have a pattern you.
Yeah,
Look at what I do is for you.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
That is it. Alright, the boss. Up and running. Stay where they are. So yeah, go.
Yeah,
You want
man.
to go back where man dey.
If you want to contact me, can give me contact number, see you here. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You so careful with I
Yes, but I
love
don't call you. Alright, the boss. Continue to do your job.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it.
Up top.
Yeah, man, so my number 876. Alright, it up. Alright, it up. Yeah, man. Yeah, so now I get see me. Yeah, so 876 219 5662. Get it? Alright, thank you for your support there.
Alright, the boss.
Alright. Okay, I'm looking up your pleasure. I'll just this one to one. Looking at that. Listen here. Sometimes I don't know why, but it's one. Alright. Yeah, man, wicked faster, man. Yeah, man, see you, man. I hope I'm a general this I know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Now then I want to wait at the time that then. Okay.
This is sanitizer.
Oh.
So I switch to map of the batch of
Yeah, I want to get that.
400 man. 400. Every time you see the same come to
Yeah,
market.
I put that one there.
Liquid soap, man.
I think that one like sunshine.
Yeah, man. Sanitizer.
Yeah, support it.
Yeah, man. Long time now come to and buy a mango still, you know?
Yeah,
I'm busy, man, you know?
yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Let's see you today, auntie. Tell him okay, yeah?
Okay, you are going. You are going to market to come something. You are going to something and come back. So you are. When you go and tell them come back in a bar.
Yes, sir.
Go and tell them come back. You know, you pull out no fault play now. But you know, look boy see you know, no love. Anytime when nobody left when you take them and squeeze people money, you know. But when you left one you already, you know. And I said thing, you must kind of uncle. I expect that fine about so you go in a market and come back. You just go for something and come back. So go and tell them come back. Yes, sir.
Uncle, every minute you tell me that.
Uncle, we tell you what. We don't trust you no.
Me are not thief.
All right, sir. All right. All right, you make sure.
Me there fix up the system and you not even have to pay me more money.
All right, sir. Make sure you tell you about. You know, hold on. How we are talking to?
Nobody knows.
All right. Soon come.
Minute you tell me that.
Watch out. How are you doing so?
My uncle told me that.
You sure say your uncle style?
Yeah.
Because boy, me know you ain't say you're liar.
And my uncle told him gone up the road to go buy something.
Okay, alright. You know the price?
Yeah.
So much a pound for this?
400.
How much a pound for them there over there? So it's sweet.
5.
Alright. Some you can how much this? 1 pound in this or 2?
1 pound.
Alright, so make me one pass. I want the whole of the plant in here. How much is it?
500.
500 for the whole of it or 500 for one?
Just take your wife for 500.
You sure say you're not going to get in no trouble for it?
No,
No.
Are you alone and sell 4 plantains for $500? I think your Uncle Tiffy. I think your Uncle Tiffy plantain again.
No.
So who no plantain so cheap? What's up? Alright, I want 2 pounds on this. How much a pound? You said 500? Alright, we don't want nothing else. Just give me one of them.
How much I come to you?
Fine.
Alright. So how much them I come to?
4,500.
You can check why. You can pay about 4,500 already.
No, miss.
A 4,500 for them, yeah?
Yeah.
How much are it?
Alright.
1 pound. Eh? 1 pound left.
How much money this is?
That get cheap
And
on.
this.
That get cheap on.
So see the 4,500. Alright, here.
That's so long.
You know, say I want to lay the whole of the time. So I go down. Walk on PP. That pays up, so you don't make no money.
Uncle, that's 500 on the make.
500 so long for me. So long.
That's uncle.
For me gone, $500.
That's uncle.
You don't believe me? No? Let me see. Give me. 500. I bet I'm in Tana.
Uncle, you're gone wrong on me. Uncle, all wrong.
You're hungry, so so well on. So 500 I make, you know, we must take you.
Uncle, no eat nothing from the uncle.
Anyway, the tree I look at you and you run. You give. Go on.
Uncle, soon come. I go buy one box drinks and one food.
Come on, go on.
Diana! Diana! Come here now.
Awa,
Your mother did.
we are going to ask you some matter of fact. Matter of fact, you see you?
Well,
My treasure and I'm going to call you, call me out of me yard, and because the last time.
Let me just sit down and talk now. God.
You see, more of them come call you, call me out of me yard, no. Oh, because the last time you take me out of me yard and make my mother come beat me. But you carry me a plum tree all over the place. You carry me. I'm not till we get that the plum there. I'll know me get the plum. One thing me see you gone up in a tree.
Brother, your mother me come to you. I try not even know me hungry right now. Call your mother for me now. Please. Go and go call your mother for me.
Me I go call her. Mommy.
Feel like I threw me there and they can treat me like a dog.
Afternoon, sit down.
Me?
No, you sit down there so you sit down there so you already there for one seat. Hello, get up and come. Give him the seat. Sit down. You not say you call me.
Oh yeah, but call me mother gone for how long is not for me eat. Come there, come out upstairs and give me to eat. Please. We're hungry. Please. The hungry mother gone for when I have nothing to eat. And my grandfather okay. Even my grandfather sick right now. He's sick when I eat nothing from when.
Then I eat morning, noon time.
No miss.
Alright, here it. Even though I know how you stay, it's a true, you're a little picnic. I want God to see me. So I'm going to give you something to eat. And make sure so when we give you something to eat, you go back straight to your yard and not go nowhere on the road.
So when my grandfather go eat.
We can give you something to give your grandfather.
Alright.
Because me tired to hear your name all over the place. Little bit at your age. That not sound good. Where your mother?
You ain't gone far away. You know if nothing I'm done for that to eat.
That's Christ. So your mother not working?
No, not all work. I didn't know come in last night, you know come up here over 2 weeks now, me not see you.
Hey,
What 2 weeks you gonna see your mother?
what kind of mother that? Me don't understand. So you bathe already? You bathe from morning?
Your mother need pay water bill.
Huh?
Your mother need pay water bill.
So no water in the your yard?
No.
Oh, Jesus. Anyway, now get some feed. Go on inside. Go on in. Here.
Thank you.
Alright, so, Tajay,
Yes.
you sure say your mother know for your yard?
No. No.
Anyway, if you stop walk up and down on the road, you can't get up and down on the road, so. You're up and down all over the place and they do things you're not supposed to do. Eh? I don't understand. What kind of mother that?
Hungry for true, mommy.
Eh?
You look like you be hungry for true.
Well, I don't want to talk about that right now. I just look how you're small at your age. You're every day up on the road. Like you have no abiding city. What is wrong with your mother? Just eat up your food and come go on up to your grandfather.
When say grandfather hungry for the mommy.
Now give him something for if you give him grandfather. Just one is sorry for kids like you know, hungry. You know, parents must stand up as a parent or parents to support you know. Eh? You can't work if you don't reach the age. How your mother fi just left you so gone 2 weeks and no return. Your mother should have give you one phone to check up on you. She don't know if you're alright or what. She don't know nothing about you. You know when you come like them just have pick me and hatch them out and let them go like a chicken. Eh? All over the place. I don't care. No wonder why the police them have to lock up some of we mother, you know. Because we neglect we kids. Anyway. You finished?
Yeah.
Make up, I'm gonna put it down. Alright. Hello.
Yeah?
Where are you with that?
I send them in that run for real.
Come here. Come right here, son. Come in. What you say, Ado?
Learn to read.
Learn to read. Pan the back of your phone. Little boy. You're not a thief. Oi, looking at my face and me not laugh with you. Me say, when you're big, you say if you're not change, you go to prison. And me no want to talk the next one. You hear me I tell you? You're not supposed to take up the phone. The phone is not yours. And you're not idiot. I take you when I take away the phone.
No, me no say password the funny.
I'm an idiot. You can't carry go flashy. Me fool, cause me old, me not no sense. And you're young, you're sensible. Eh? Oh, hello. Oi, me no idiot. You see from this sketching number one, me just left you right there surround the table. And go put down the cup. Wash me the wash out the cup. I want mine say, look behind me. Me see you with the phone in your hand. Where you set the cup? Me not trust you. You come on me yard. You see why some people do not sorry for people? You come on me and come ask me for something to eat and tell me say you're hungry. I'm sorry for you and give you something to eat and you turn around and thief something from me. I'm not trust you now go today. Let me search you. What else you take up?
Where money that were did you over the Safari coach?
You take away money to boy?
No have no money.
Looking at the pocket.
Hold on. Turn up. Let me see you in your waist first. Let me see that pocket there. Wait, Jesus God have mercy.
Honey, come take pocket.
I'm not counting. No man left in your pocket, you have no more pocket like this.
Just want to buy something for father to eat.
You want to buy something for your grandfather to eat? And me tell you, say me after me give you something to eat when you all leave me and give you something for your grandfather. Hello, me I come go for your yard now. Cause me need to talk to your grandfather.
My grandfather up there.
Well, me still have to go up there. Me I no idiot for you. Me I no idiot for you. You come on me yard, come take up phone and thief phone and you thief money and phone and what else you thief?
Just want to give my grandfather something to eat.
That's a lie, boy. Remember, say your name is spread everywhere, say a thief, you know. And my mother come and give you something to eat. And you come and want thief her phone and her money.
Alright,
I
make
also
it stay.
wicked.
Make it stay. Guess what? Me and you have to go for your grandfather.
But my grandfather not up there.
I do not care. You go off your up there today. Because me and you know me the well and time for you now. Run come out. What this up, turn up. Stand up right there, so. Stand up there, so. And now look round. Water that. You can't put down nothing in your own place. You're sorry for people. Carry them in and give them something to eat. Look how you little.
Hey, man, look for you with him bad guy a while ago.
Look how you little and I don't know what kind of control for your mama have your hand there. You know what? Me look for my slippers. Come. Up your grandfather yard me I go with you now. Come on. Come. You have gone too bad, man. Hello. You, turn up yourself. Right there, so you fit turn up. Come over here, so can nobody not talk to you. I don't feel time. You turn up there, so.
Evening, sir.
Evelyn,
Thieving.
make your grandson come to you. Because he come down on my yard, you know. He come down on my yard, come thief phone and thief money. After the boy come down on my yard, come tell me say he hungry. And he no eat from when or you no eat from when. Me sorry for him and give him something to eat. And you know say little boy, the one turn me back and go wash out the cup when they drink out. The little boy thief the phone out of me house and thief me money. And your grandson, me I talk to you about you now.
I tell him, I'm going to take him out of the place. Call him a thief, I'm in police come up to go all and food. So I don't know where I'm at.
So when your mother there?
I know that I'm gone for about 2 weeks.
Jesus Christ. That little boy, yeah. You see you? Me sorry for you. Me sorry for you. Sir, me know say you're in a age and you can manage this situation here. But Be careful because he finger them and of him. He finger them and of him into thief age and he need to stop it. Else when he get older, me sorry for him.
How would that happen, also? How would that happen, also?
Hello, miss. Your son me care come to you about and he tell me say no dey here.
You never dey here because I come back.
Hello. What kind of home training you teach your picnic? That me want to know.
What you know?
The little boy thief plus tax.
Come to me. What you thief here?
He just come and me and come thief my phone and thief out my money.
A TV phone?
But me get it back. Me get it back from him. Me just in time for
My
turn around.
son not take up your thing. You take up your phone and your money?
No,
Look
mom.
for me attack. You take up your phone and your money?
No, mommy, tell me not no.
All you reach a people yard. Where did the people yard? They yard me left you.
Mommy, I'm a friend with the girl who family and who saying did it.
You are next one too.
Mommy, I didn't
Then
friend.
they yard me left you.
Yes, mom.
So how you reach a people yard to them say the thief them things?
Mommy, I'm a friend the girl who found them missing and then missing.
Are you a friend with ban?
No, mommy.
So how the lady come and make complaints to your thief or things and know you are no thief? The time you come and complain to me, say my picnic a thief, you go watch your picnic and grow in the right way. The picnic not thief nothing for you. Why you thief for you?
Excuse you?
The picnic not thief nothing for you. You come and make complaint and I tell lie for my picnic and I know say man a thief.
So hold on there. I say you come down, I say you grow your picnic, you hear what you say in front time? So what you want to tell me, say me I tell like on this a little picnic.
Of course I lie to tell for him. You want to see when he thief?
Hello. You see me come up here so? Me come up here so with my heart a bounce. And me no come up here when if you come see you, can you see you know there, me come to talk to your grandfather and know you come. And you just dip into the story. And you hear what happen and you go come tell me, say your child don't thief. He never thief yet. Me if you go teach my picnic and tell my picnic whatever, you can't tell me say your picnic and a thief and me if you go
My picnic and no thief. My picnic now walk and thief people things. Me grow my picnic right way and all you reach a people yard. Are you a friend with ban? Eh? Are you a friend with ban? Go back and nobody yard again and see. How much money my picnic thief from
no,
you?
hold on. You say you not thief no money. You don't want to know how much and that means you not thief none. You say your picnic not thief no money. So every time your picnic do something wrong, you take up for your picnic. Every time
No,
you're
if you not do it, me know say you not do it, I not pick up for me. Know me picnic and you know me know what we do from what you want to do.
Hello.
He don't thief.
you see mother like Uno picnic come bite off Uno ears.
I see me easy if you bite her.
Because everything they do wrong, Uno take up for them and say they never do and they not do.
Me know my picnic now walk and thief nobody thief. You know nobody I go thief them things.
What you say me do? What me do? What me do to your picnic?
Mommy saying me a phone, I'm not even have no phone.
Because my mother taking phone from you and the money. After
You touch
paying
your
$100
phone.
and the US, I'm not telling a lie from you. Come and say, my
Hello,
mother
let me tell you something little dirty woman. Let me tell you something because Uno me not even style as no good woman. First of all, for your picnic come and me and come tell me say you left him for 2 weeks. He's not a good mother. He hungry and he no what you say? Not tell no lie for you.
2 weeks
And that you say?
No.
And that you say me not fit tell
You
you lie
left
for
him
you.
2 weeks hungry.
Okay. So the
No,
mother,
mommy.
so the son. So you pick me a thief and liar just like you, look like a you. The picnic take off. You understand? Uno to workless and uno neglect uno picnic. And if you see, let me tell you something, you know.
Me what this?
Yes, because having your child and leave her for 2 weeks.
Like I walk this myself.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean,
Let me
look
see.
up. On the
Yes.
excuse not a me, I do not go on.
No, let me tell
You
you
go on out
something.
of me,
You see, I like
take a
you.
picnic and go
Police
on.
will lock you up.
Yeah, take a picnic and go on. Have a nice boy and go on. Tie your next one.
You know, have no manners and I saw you grow your picnic. Let me tell you something, woman,
Don't
before me
leave
leave.
me out. Don't
You
leave
see,
out of me yard.
anyhow, you not take up him in the hand and make him
Don't
stop
go on
thief.
out of me
Never
yard.
saying little no.
Go on,
Yes,
little
when
brother.
he get
Go on
big,
out of me yard.
yes, when he get big, it'll go worse. So if I saw you broke for your picnic
Don't
to
go
walk
out of
and
me yard
thief,
now.
and
It's
the
the
worst
father
thing you
yes,
do.
how you come and behave.
That means
The
say,
father the right yes, how
and you your
come and
picnic take
behave.
off because you're not teach your picnic no
Lady,
manners.
please come out of me yard.
Train up your child in the way they should go. Train up your child in the way they should go. You is not a good mother. You're not no good mama. You're like a you know if you have no picnic. I say you teach your picnic to walk around and thief. So when he get big at this age and they ask so when he get big, how he go? How he go with between you and him and the police or law, whatever you want to call it. Hello, sir.
Oh man, me say to come out of me yard.
You know what?
You know, left all now.
Me go come out to your yard. You hear me?
Yeah.
But you see,
You come on me yard with the problem in your eyes.
Mommy.
Please to leave.
Mommy.
One back inside. And then
hello, sir. Yes, are your grandson, right? You see,
my
if
father don't want to hear
you see,
nothing.
if you
My
no
father
take him up
don't
in
want to
hand,
hear nothing.
if you no take him up in hand from now, you see when he get older, you know go ball blood. Not your water, you know, blood. See what him go come do and we go on here. Come on. Come on.
Just a thief.
Like yeah, your mama.
Yeah, you workless mama. You hold on, no look like a thief. Me sorry for your grandfather. Can you can imagine if a thief in soon no can come give old man for name. Workless woman. Gang if you pick it for like 2 weeks. Eh? Can you imagine?
Why happy night? Where about happy night? I don't know what's on.
I don't want to make me so hot.
Then look how you make them call me down a station. So I have to beat you. But then feel like I say every time I do it, me beat you. Eh?
Mommy, not let me so hot.
So me have to beat a boy.
Because I came down here boy you station and then say anyhow you came back down there again. Them go take me from you and go cup. Came go cup.
Yeah, they care about with cops. If then take care about cops, who thief and give me money? Hmm?
But mommy,
Who thief and give me money? Who thief and get things gonna give me if they care about cops?
but mommy must say grandfather right there so many here and go tell police.
You know no sense, you not remember.
Mommy only cut me on.
You know that's all. Why you say I'm no? You feel you jump through the window?
Yes, mommy.
Ain't the chance, yes. You know,
Mommy, mommy. Yo,
I'm
mommy.
really me and your mother.
Are you teacher, mommy?
Who did you?
Yo.
I'm gonna go to your mom. That is the young guy go to his family teacher to see.
No, mommy, but I'm bad.
Mommy, bad teacher,
Mommy, me dey go sell you sit down in a boat you super but through your phone. I say I walk on your foot because you know what I'm saying.
It's like please pass on the money still. Yes, you're going to do it.
Mommy, we could have one make us feel
Next time you're not going to make them kitchen, you know what I'm saying? Or you can make them kitchen.
Mommy, I want me need no other man turn on back so fast.
And if you make them kitchen. Next time if you do what you do and hurry up. And come on.
But mommy, what make us spend off the money? You couldn't just come back and come out of grandpa place, mommy.
When you go again. When you go again.
Don't
When you go again. That's how your business. I don't know, when I see the people and time phone, you ask me not really to spend it.
But you want to be sad that grandpa doesn't chat too much on.
You know what chat.
I see him, so my friend come up here and chat or say, what do you the police come up here and everything? Hey, you don't chat too much.
Oh, remember, see, I still a grandfather, you know. And my father, they deal with you, you know.
But mommy, you chat too much. Wait, mommy, let me tell you something. Wow. Mommy, I know the other day when we got TV in money, you know, so we give grandpa $100 and he not deserve it because he chat too much. Mommy, I want TV back for him, but don't tell him something, you know, mommy.
You don't get married. What do you mean I want to
But mommy, remember
so you know you use money, you don't have use the money too.
But mommy, remember when people give money, always save money.
Did that not say? I feel money that they don't get married. What kind of thief back for them?
You don't deserve it.
But you deserve it.
And you ask you, them say dumb, you know. Yeah, and if they ask you, they will tell me, say, Grandpa, remember say I get, oh no, you're not going to remember things, I'm going to feed you. That me I go say.
Yes, the idea.
Yeah?
Idea, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, oh,
You are idiot.
oh me I eat that.
You are idiot. You
Oh,
God, you give me money. And you say give me money. And you take it back from him. And me and you and him alone live in a house. And you tell him, say, I know you. So that means if I know you are me.
no, mom, you know me in the way the book man, but this is when he put, you know, give me nothing to eat. Even yesterday, my friend, you know, that.
So you not no manners.
No, mommy,
You not no manners queen. That's why you not getting no food and eat. You not no manners.
even when you not come over here,
yesterday. You know, my friend June said, you must see, gonna be carrying the money. And that's why June has to carry the money.
Hear them. That you must have been doing.
Yes, mommy.
Take a phone and money from him. All the way you never do to give back to.
Yes, mommy.
All right,
Mommy, I
okay.
know so
You
what.
want to get your phone.
Yes, mommy, I know so what they had to miss it there. It take they cause I'm selling cause but me remember to give money.
You know what they want to do. Wait till they close up. They know where.
You can hear just.
Okay.